Bismillah, remove the tags from the saree. The blouse piece is attached to its 𝙤𝙤𝙜𝙬𝙜. I will cut it and attach it inside of the saree, and I don't want to use it. Once you cut out the blouse piece from 𝙤𝙤𝙜𝙬𝙜, clean up the both sides, cut extra thread from both. Set your machine on overlock. Keep the number as shown. Note: follow the instructions as per your machine. Turn slightly from the corner between upper part of machine. Keep it till the end. With this simple technique, you can easily overlock the open sides of your saree in string. Leave 2 span or 8 to 10 inches from inside part of saree and start your fall from here. Take saree fall as per your saree color. Soak in cold water. Let it soak for night. Let it dry. Press the saree fall to make it wrinkle-free. You can attach or stitch the saree fall manually or by machine, inshallah. I will show you both. To hold the saree you can use table, or you can hold it on your lap. I left some portion approximately 8 to 10 inches inside of the saree and star to pin up the saree fall. I am using hairpins to hold the fall on saree. Take thin needle with matching color for your saree. As you can see, the sides of fall are open. To start to attach the fall, fold little bit part of the saree fall inside. Take simple, small, running stitch on the bottom side of fall. Use double layer thread to give strength to the bottom edge. To stitch the upper side of saree fall, use single layer thread and apply hemming stitch to fix it. Note: take small part from saree on needle so thread will not visible from outside of the saree. Let's see how to do it with the machine. Fix the fall on the saree with the help of pins as shown in the starting of the video. Keep machine on overlocking mode. First, fix the bottom and both sides to make your task easier, then go for upper part of fall on saree. Cut if any extra thread remaining to give the finishing look to your work. Alhamdulillah, it's done.